Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean? It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today I'm gonna speak over my husband for the whole entire video to see his reaction. Oh my God! Guys, right now Papa Harry downstairs and get himself together, because I told him we are going to do a Q&A. But guys, there's no Q&A video. I make up these questions myself to pull off this prank upon him. Guys, this is going to be epic. Guys, may I tell you, say, I am so excited because you don't know what, this long time now I'm going to run a thing for Papa Harry, so I'm going to run a thing upon him. So anyway, guys, before we get any further into this epic prank, yeah, me need to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. Guys, I can't wait. So guys, I'll get into it when him come up. Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And you know when me say it hot, I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, today we're doing a little Q&A video. Me and Papa Harry answering some questions that you guys sending to us. You understand? Because you know what? You know we love you guys. Me and Papa Harry, you know, he is my loving husband.
Every time.
You love me?
Oh, you mean that?
And you don't know we love each other.
No, we love Mama Joan.
So anyway, guys, we are gonna go into this question and answer video that you guys send in and wanted to know, because no wanted to know what's going on with us, you know, some stuff that's happening in our life, and we're willing to share it with you guys. So that's what we're gonna do with this little video today.
I hope you guys will enjoy what we're doing today too, you know.
So guys, Papa Harry, you ready for the first questions?
Well, no, yeah,
okay.
Ready, man.
So guys, the first question that you guys send in to us is, you want to know what do we love most about the summer. So Papa Harry,
Basically, you want say it or you want me to go first?
Well, you can go first. You can answer this question first and then I'll go after you.
Okay. Well, summer means not an inside person. Now the winter me have to inside. You guys know that. But in the summer now, you get outside and chill and listen to my music. I'm not fear nobody. I say, I turn on the music too. I become outside. Me dey on my own turf. And my wife, she come outside and we chill in the gazebo and everything good and we enjoy everything. But I love summer, you know, cause winter kind of too cold, you know.
So guys, for me, what I love about the summer is I love to plant my flowers, plant my veggie, especially a Scotch bonnet pepper. You understand me? I'm a color, I love to do that. So that's what I love about the summer, you know, so I can do all my planting because I love gardening.
Cut some color there, me I tell her, say she cook it up on the color sweet. Never eat color sweet, so yet.
Okay, so this one is, how do you feel when Mama Joan was on vacation for 2 weeks? Without you? How do you feel without?
Just with you 2 weeks, yeah?
Yes.
When she did over Joseph?
Yes.
I mean, I want to talk about that, because I tell me, say, me in the home like I be one live here.
Well, guys, for that one, you know,
for 2 weeks.
Papa Harry love to spend lots of time with Mama Joan. But Mama Joan just need a little break for to spend some time with our son. So, but him can deal with it, so him deal with it. Me love me some Papa Harry, but you know what, go? Me have to take a break.
You go left.
You know? Yeah, because him can work with that. Oh, you understand me? And I have to learn to work with that. Every so often, Mama Joan just have to take a little break and go do a little visiting here, there, you know, because the family is big and she have to move around.
So it all work out still. She have people I look after me while she gone, because the kids them take care of me and look after me and bring food.
But him was good. Him never hungry, him never shot or nothing. Him never shot or nothing.
Yes,
everything was fine. No, him never shot or nothing. Everything was fine when I was away, because I called and Cyan said she was taking good care of her grandfather. So Papa Harry was good. Papa Harry did very good when I wasn't here. Well, you understand? D'Angelo take care of him, Cyan take care of him. So everything was fine for him. So he did very good when I wasn't here. So him have Myla to take care of him. Him have Cyan and him have D'Angelo, because at that same time Reef was away also. So he was perfectly fine without them while I was away. Okay, Papa Harry. Now we're moving on. But before we get to that, guys, let me introduce you to Milo. Milo love to be here. No matter whatever video we do, Milo is always in the house. Okay. So the question is this, Papa Harry. What do you love the most about Mama Joan?
That's a tricky question. Because them say what I love the most. I love everything about Mama Joan.
Papa Harry, him love Mama Joan.
Yeah, I love myself so Mama Joan.
Him love Mama Joan, and I can tell you, him love Mama Joan. No matter where I am, what I am doing, Papa Harry is always
it's always
with
about
me.
Mama Joan.
You understand?
Just
and
about Mama Joan.
If when we were younger and Papa Harry did it with him friends, them like Papa Harry in my room with me. Don't leave.
Friends them couldn't get no time with me.
When Papa Harry friend come around and want him to come outside with them, Papa Harry can't go outside because him downstairs, him have to stay inside with me. You understand? So him is always around me, always with me.
And that was my joy to be around Mama Joan. So me used to love.
And when him dead, when him is there and them say time for play ball, him can't go outside go play no ball because him under lockdown. Me take charge all the time where him is concerned.
You guys can see she's taking charge even right now. She's taking charge because...
So guys, as I said, Papa Harry love Mama Joan. Him cannot do without Mama Joan, and all the flavor Mama Joan have, she give it to him, and him have to just deal with it and just love it. You understand?
Oh!
So I know Papa I know from the get-go him love and care about me. Him is a good man. Him is a good answer. You understand me?
I love myself so, Mama Joan. And to me, the best thing in my life and my time right here now is
me take
Mama
over.
Joan.
Me take control of Papa Harry. Just like how him take control of me. No. And we have some nice time together.
You take control
and
of
we
Papa
stay
Harry.
together all the time. We don't do nothing without each other. You understand me?
Have a choice,
that's the way it is, and that's the way it will always be. You understand me?
It's not going to change now. After 40, 50 years, it's not going to change.
Because there's nothing him can do about it.
We have to surrender.
How do you guys manage to keep your marriage alive after so many years? You can go first with this one. You know?
Well, this one is not a hard one, to tell you the truth, because we have so much support with each other. Mama Joan helped me to show.
You know how we manage to keep the marriage alive? We keep the marriage alive by we doing stuff together.
Yes.
You know, we try to do as much as we can together. You know, like we dance together. You know, Papa we play music and we dance together. And then after we do that, you know, we sit down and we
play music and we do all kind of things.
We cook together, because when I'm cooking, him is always in the kitchen help me cooking.
Everything
so we do that together. You know, so and we spend a lot of time. You know, but there's a time when we used to pack up the boys them in the car and we go to the drive-in movie.
Them time there was some good time when we pack up all of the kids them. And Mama
Papa Harry love horror movie. So when we go at the drive-in, him have to always make sure say him a watch a movie where him can get an arrow. Cause them used to have a 3 flicks. So it always something where him can get an arrow. The guys them can get an anime for themselves. And me can get a romance show for myself. So we do that. So that's a part of the stuff them where we do for keep marriage alive.
Everybody sleeping except me. Mama Joan fast asleep, snoring too. She can't snore, is it?
Me used to get up and said, you know what, a time for we head home now. So that's one of the stuff what we do for keep the marriage alive by doing those things. You understand?
Love those stuff.
And Papa Harry used to do too. Him used to make sure so well then when we go, him go get the popcorn. You know what him used to get? Him used to get the nachos, the drink.
With the cheese.
And the kids them used to love the candy and all of that. So we have to get candy. So we have to get all of them things where the kids them is concerned. So we do things together all the time. And the thing about it is that Mama Joan always make sure say everything is good with you, and Papa Harry do the same thing.
Yes.
You understand? So that
it's a two-sided
that keep the marriage going.
You can't just do your thing.
And we don't go to sleep without if we have a disagreement, we make sure so we talk about the disagreement. We never go to the bed
and wake up angry
with each other.
No,
So we communicate with each other, and we make sure so everything work out just fine where the two of us is concerned. You know, we have good communication. I like to have good communication with him, and I make him know so well that if there's a problem between the two of us, we have to talk about it and discuss it before
like family.
We go to bed.
Like
you understand?
family.
We share that together, so we have to make
that
sure that's
good.
good between the two of us. I think we answered that question good enough, so we can move on. Oh my God, guys, look at him. He's sleeping. he's so cute, my Milo. Anyway, so Papa Ari, you never liked pets. So how did you feel when Mama Joan bring Milo home? Oh my gosh.
I know that was a tricky one. But Milo,
guys, I bring home Milo and I never care. It's not that I don't care. I decided that I am going to get a pet. And Milo I decided I am going to get my cat. Papa Ari love animal, but him don't believe in having animal living inside the house. So when I decide say I am going to get Milo, I just tell him I'm gonna get Milo, and I bring Milo home, and there is Milo.
Milo was so loving, and
Milo used to.
We did so much
Papa Ari used to sit down on the step, and when him sit down on the step, Milo you just sit down on him head and sleep on him head. And I said to him, say, you cannot move, you know, you're going to sit right here till Milo sleep and wake up. So I have to sit down here while Milo sleep and wake. So when Milo wake up now, then him can get up. And him care about Milo, and Milo is everything to him.
Did love Milo. I really did love Milo. Even now, because most of the time I'm outside.
When I'm outside and one for each, when I'm outside, Milo outside each with him. So Milo don't do nothing without him being there. So when doorbell ring, Milo run downstairs, come answer door like him is a puppy, because you know that is a dog thing. You understand? So that one of the things when Milo does. So Papa Ari love Milo from I bring Milo come here. It's just pure loving. There is no don't want Milo here. There is no you can't have no pet inside of the house. You know, it's just pure love. Him give Milo. Gently, look at it, watch him. Him just love when you rub him head. It was a sweet, loving, gentle cat. So Papa Ari never feel no way when I bring Milo come home. Him just accept him and love Milo. Yes. You understand?
That is one thing I can really say.
So we can move on to the next question now. Or what you think? You think you answer the one day where Milo is concerned?
But
good
the thing
enough?
about it now, you see, you're talking, but you might have me throwing two little thing, but
you did answer. You did say a lot about Milo.
Yeah, but I feel like we could have get little more say.
Well, honey, I think you say a lot about Milo.
Well, I'm just saying, you know, like the next question also, you can give me some more talking
Well,
space.
I think you say a lot about Milo because Milo is right here, and I think you answer very good where Milo is concerned.
If you say so, even though I disagree, but if you say so, I'm going to work.
Honey, I think so. You did have more to say about Milo. I think you said more.
To be frank, honey, I have a lot more to say more time, but you don't give me the opportunity.
I think you said enough about Milo where I'm concerned, and I think we can move on to the next question. You did say a lot about Milo, so moving on to the next question. So the next question you can say a little bit more. Okay. So next question: what is your 3 favorite food? I know, listen, Mama Joan, when she cook, she throw down some nice food when she throw down. I mean, no, so this is a question that's going to be a very difficult one for Papa Ari, because as we said, Mama Joan in the kitchen, the way she do the food is nice and spicy. So, Papa Ari, I know it's going to hard for you, but
to be frank, guys, I'm going to try my best to answer this one now for you guys, because as you know, when Mama Joan cook, everything nice and spicy. So, what I would consider one of the most favorite is like, I love stew.
When Papa Ari when Mama Joan cooks stew peas, and Papa Ari loves stew peas, but Mama Joan throw down a wicked stew piece, and we know him love the stew piece. So
Eat it with
I would
rice
say that
and
one
peas.
I'm nice.
White
That's one of the food that Papa Harry love. Him love the stew piece. So that is one of the favorite ones. So you know that is something we him love. So
I will eat my stew peas anytime, every time. Whereas if you put 2 chicken foot in it.
Yeah, Papa Harry love chicken foot in the stew piece, but Mama Joan don't like to make. Mama Joan don't like to put chicken foot in the stew piece. Cause Mama Joan like to make the stew piece without the chicken foot. So him love stew piece. That is one of the favorite food where Mama Joan cook. Where him love. You understand? But me now put no chicken foot in it because it's nice. So me like to do it so without the chicken foot. You know.
She don't want to put chicken foot in there because she don't want the chicken foot. But I love my chicken foot.
So that is one of the favorite. That is one of my favorite food where Papa Harry love the stew piece. You understand? So, as me say, me love the stew piece.
Let me tell the people them why me love the stew piece, the man. You tell them why me love the stew piece.
Yeah, because you love the stew. You
yeah,
love the stew piece.
Yeah, but me can't tell them. Yeah. I cannot tell them.
Yeah, but
then why you are
telling them? But me know you love the stew piece. That is one out of the. But that's one of the favorite food. Out of the 3 of them where you cook. I may always cook it for you. You love it.
Right now, honey, you're talking like a parrot. Like you just like chicken or you're a parrot. But you're not giving me a chance. But honey, you're not giving me a chance. The people them ask me what is my favorite food.
Honey, I cook the food for you and I know you love the stew piece. So I'm just telling them that one is a favorite.
Yeah, but the question is, what is my favorite food?
So that is one of the favorite food.
So you can give me a chance to tell the audience and the people that is my favorite food.
But you are telling them, honey.
You're not giving me no chance to talk. I'm not even getting in 2 words. You just into it, everything. That chicken. Only chicken, Mr. Talk.
Honey, you are telling the people them that is your favorite food.
No,
and they
you is telling them, not me.
No, I do that. They ask about 3 favorite food, and I'm just explaining why you love stew peas.
So why can't I explain to them and tell them what is my favorite food? Why you have to be doing it for me? The people are asking me my opinion. But they're not.
They heard you. Remember, it's 3 favorite. It's 3 food. If I cut you off on what you were saying about your favorite food, which is stew peas, now let's move on to your second favorite food, okay?
Well, my second... Can I talk now?
We are telling our viewers what is your second favorite food. It's you, but okay, so...
But you're saying we, and you keep saying we, and I thought it was what is my favorite food.
It's your favorite food, but the three... Okay. Can you tell the viewers what is your favorite?
My second favorite food, which is most people's favorite, is oxtail.
I love oxtail. Papa Harry loves oxtail, and when I cook the oxtail, I throw down a wicked oxtail for Papa Harry, and the oxtail is very nice and it's very good.
Yes.
And when I make oxtail, when I make oxtail, him love the oxtail. Him can't stop eat the oxtail. You understand? Because as I said, Mama Joan make a good mean oxtail, and I make my oxtail a special way.
Can't I tell them that, honey?
Most people
Couldn't
don't
I
make
tell
their
the
oxtail
audience
in
that?
the oven. I make my oxtail in the oven, and I cut up my seasoning and all of that and do it different. So that's how I make my oxtail, and Papa Harry love him oxtail. You understand?
The third one now is curry goat. So I love my stew peas, which she don't cook much. She cook a lot of oxtail, and she will cook.
When I'm making the food. When I'm making curry goat, Papa Harry love curry goat.
Anything she cook, as I say, guys, anything she cook.
He enjoy the curry goat and the curry goat. When I say the curry goat, the curry goat have lots of flavor. You know, because I know Mama don't have that flavor when she throw down that flavor and the curry goat, you know. And him like to eat curry goat with white rice. And sometimes he want rice and peas. Who eat curry goat with rice and peas? You understand? Papa Harry want to eat curry goat with rice and peas, but me not allow him to eat the curry goat with rice and peas. It's strictly plain rice because curry goat supposed to eat with plain rice. Although that is one of my favorite meal. Him want to eat it
one of my favorite.
And sometimes he love to eat it with food too. But I love to make it with white rice with Papa Harry. So that is one of Papa Harry's favorite food. Him love some curry goat. You understand, because curry goat is nice, and him love how Mama Joan throw down the curry goat, you know.
Okay, honey. So, that you tell the people everything now?
Well, I think you tell them. You were telling them how much you
I
love.
was
You
trying.
were telling
I
them
was
how much you
trying,
love
honey.
Axel, and you tell them how much you love Currygoat, and you tell them how you love Stroopies.
Yeah, but you're not giving me a chance to do these things.
But
you're telling the
did.
people them you're...
Got him! Got him!
to your story. I'm
honey,
not getting to tell them my story.
No, honey, you did. I let you tell them. Yeah,
If you say so. Give me some more time on the next question, please.
So you don't think you tell them enough where you didn't answer the question?
Not to how I wanted to answer it. Like tell the people them. You is telling the people them what.
But I think you answered the question the right way, and I think you did answer it.
Well, honey, if you think I did, I don't think I did.
I think you were talking and you were answering the question, so I don't know what else you want.
All I need, honey, you see, cut out the parrot and the chicken talk, and give me some time to say what I want to say, other than what you want to say.
I think you did very well on answering that question.
I don't think so, but if you say so, honey.
Move on to the next question.
Okay, that's fine. Even though I don't agree with your statement, because I don't think I get time to say nothing. Right now, I'm getting pissed.
Oh! So moving on to the next question, because I think you did answer perfectly. Okay. So, we're moving on to question number 8.
Might as well.
What is your favorite holiday?
That's a good one, honey.
I know that's a good question. What is Papa Harry's favorite holiday?
My favorite.
I don't think Papa Harry have a favorite holiday.
Yes, I do.
I think Papa Harry enjoyed the Christmas holiday.
You guys realize she's saying something different than what I am saying.
Our favorite holiday is Christmas.
What she just said, and the question is, what is my favorite?
And enjoy the
Christmas is my favorite holiday because Mama Joan loves our Christmas, and she makes so much preparation towards Christmas.
I do a lot of decoration for Christmas, and I also make a wicked Christmas breakfast, and Papa Harry enjoy that. So Christmas is Papa Harry's favorite holiday, just like how Christmas is Mama Joan's favorite holiday, and them enjoy the holiday for Christmas because we do so much. And we have families and friends, that come over and enjoy Christmas with us, and
Papa already like telling us some of these little things. But this parrot now give me a chance to say nothing. I'm going to let her out of the cage and make she fly away.
Papa Harry.
That way they know she can't stop talk.
Papa Harry love Christmas, and Christmas is his favorite holiday.
Okay, honey.
Christmas.
Honey. You the thing going on. I probably have to send you out of the room in the next question. So I can get a chance.
You don't need, Papa Harry don't need
you're
to
not
send
giving
me
me
out
a
of the
chance,
room.
but you're not giving me a chance to tell the people them.
But
you keep telling the people them what I love. And it's like, I don't know what I love.
Papa, you do know what you love, and you are answering the question. You're answering the question.
You are for me.
Them
I am answering the question.
Yes, you are.
It don't feel like that to me.
And
honey.
I don't think I am answering most of the question for you. No, you're answering the question, and you are doing very good answering the question. Very good doing answering the question. You're not missing nothing. You have everything under control.
Okay, if you say so, only because...
Yeah. So I think you're doing great.
Because right now I think it's your show.
I think you're doing great where the question is answered, where the question is, and you do talk a lot. Look how much question you answer. You answer a lot of the questions that the audience asks you. You answer a lot of the questions.
I don't see that on. No, I don't see that on. No.
But I see that you answer a lot of the questions, honey. Okay, so last question.
3?
Yes.
The last one this?
Last one this.
You answered the whole of them before?
What country would you like to visit?
Well, to be truthful, honey, I have a couple countries I really like to visit. The number one country I like to visit right now, you see, when it comes to World Cup, whenever Jamaica get knocked out of World Cup, I just transfer automatically to Brazil. Because I know Brazil is a possibility them going to the finals.
Papa Harry love Brazil because
Well, you know,
Papa Harry, listen guys. Papa Harry love Brazil because Brazil is a place where one of my favorite soccer players
Pele,
I'm favorite soccer player, and him love Neymar, and that's where them come from. So we know Papa Harry love to visit Brazil because him is a soccer man, and that's where all
that's what I wanted to tell the people.
When play soccer, him soccer people them, and that's where them come from. And when we have World Cup, Brazil are one time
after Jamaica.
When
transfer to Brazil.
So I know that Brazil is one of the places that Papa Harry love to visit. So
Can I talk? Can you tell the people what Papa Harry love, but Papa Harry don't get a chance to tell them what he love. I'd like to go to Paris. So
Paris is a place we have the Eiffel Tower. That is a very nice place.
That is not why I want to go to Paris, honey. I want to go to Paris so I can go watch
Paris
John Jaman.
And Paris, that's another place too, where when I'm soccer team is from Paris Saint-Germain. That's one another soccer place where
Neymar,
them their favorite
you get the whole of them for one team.
Them players there, in a Paris there. So in love. That is one of the places I would love to visit because
you have to give me a chance to tell the people because you don't know everything where me love or where me want. But you're telling the people everything where me.
But I'm giving you a chance.
So why if mother asks me these questions if I can't get a chance to tell the audience and my people what I like?
But honey, you are answering and you are telling me you've been talking the whole time from we've been doing this video.
So when you want to tell me deaf? That me can't even hear myself when me answer the question. I just you me I hear, me not hear myself, Don't tell me something deaf.
I
never hear my answer.
You're answering the whole time you're here with me.
It's just you, honey. It's you alone. I am only Joan.
The whole time you're here, you're answering all the questions. I'm hearing you.
I don't see the purpose of me.
I am hearing you the whole time that you're
what you
here,
should have done.
Answer all the questions that was asked of you.
I don't think so, Joan.
Answering the question just like how I'm answering the question. So I do not know why you're saying that you're not answering the question because you do, honey. Honey, I let you talk and I let you answer the question.
Well, honey, you don't fool me.
And I know that because I'm sitting here with you answering the question. And
me answering, you answering.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Me.
If you think me answer it enough, the audience, I want you guys say it in the comment. If you think she answer the question or Papa Harry answer the question.
Papa Harry is doing very good with answering the questions. That I'm not allowing you to talk and I know that I'm letting you talk. So now I want you to go to the next country that you'd like to visit.
Okay, well the next country would like to visit is another soccer country, which is England. And Joan have our family in England, and we have lots of people from Jamaica that go to England.
Anyway, I have a lot of people in England. Papa Harry don't have much people there, so
friends. I said friends only.
Going to England would be a nice place for him to visit because the both of us can go together. And I have my brother there, I have a couple brothers there, and I have a sister there, and plus I have friends that there, so live there. So if I'm going to England, that is a place that I could go with him to on a trip. Because England is a very nice place. I
don't see the purpose of me answering this question right now. Right now, you're taking over the interview, and I don't see the use of me. So you're going.
Papa Harry, you've been answering questions the whole time that you're there, and I don't think I don't think I'm talking too much. I give you a lot of chance. You've been answering questions.
I don't think I'm saying enough, money. And right now, if
you've been saying enough, and you've been answering from the get-go, from the start. You've been talking the whole time.
Okay, well I never get to put in the punches that I did want to put in. So you see, because I was so all the time rudely interrupted by Mama Joan, I am gonna just leave the video alone, make she take over the video, and she can tell you guys.
Papa Harry, I did not speak much in this video. I did not do.
You don't fool me, honey.
No, I did not speak much in this video. I make you talk. You've been talking the whole time, so I don't know.
So I didn't hear myself saying anything.
I don't know how you said I'll taking over the video. You've been talking the whole time,
Honey.
and you do most of the talking.
Okay.
So if you think you don't talk enough, then okay, go ahead and say whatever you want to say.
Guys, I don't think I got enough opportunity to tell you guys what I love or
And
what I
Papa
want
Harry
to
get
do.
enough opportunity to
So now,
say
I
whatever
am
he
gonna
wants to
leave
do,
this
and
video.
I let him
Let
talk as
her-
much as he want to talk, and I think I give him all the opportunity. I didn't talk much in this video. All of the talking in this video, him do that. You
That's
understand?
all
me? So,
she's doing.
So
Yup.
no, I did not.
Well, comment on that to me, for me to guys. If she yap too much or
Papa Harry, you've been talking a lot. You've been talking the whole flipping time this video been going on. I never said nothing. God bless the two little word that you allow me to say.
I surrender.
So,
Call it quits, guys. That's it for me. I'm not even going to say another word. Zip. Done with them.
you can't do that.
Well, I'm not getting the opportunity to
You've
talk
been
some as
talking the
well.
whole time.
You think so, honey?
I know.
I don't think I get enough chance to tell the people them what I want to say, because as soon as I say something,
I think you said everything
You
where
think
you
so?
want to say it. And I didn't talk not much.
Well, if you say
said
so,
everything. And on top of you talking, I love you so much. You can give me a kiss.
I think you deserve a kiss. But it's
Why?
true.
After you did chat so much for the whole
No.
entire video, you're going to tell me say I don't deserve a kiss?
No, but I want a kiss, so I'm going to give you a kiss.
You
But I
sure?
don't think you deserve one. Come in. I love my Mama Joan so much. Guys,
So anyway, guys, Papa Harry been here sitting talking the whole time
so she
about
said. So she said, guys.
this
I never
Q&A
hear that.
this Q&A thing where we have
That
here
was
together.
her interview.
You know, I got to tell you this. We were doing this Q&A. This video that I was doing with you, it's not no Q&A. It was just a prank. Nobody didn't send in no question for you to answer. I make up these questions for you to answer.
To prank me?
Yeah, it was just to talk over you. Just a talking over video I was doing to you.
Bye, guys.
Where you go, don't go nowhere.
Yeah, because you just take over the show.
Because it was a prank, Harry. It was just a prank. It's just a makeup thing. Nobody never sent in a question for you to do together. I was just running
Just
a prank on you
one thing
because
for
it's
me.
been a while, you know.
Well,
So you know,
that's
just to
understandable,
see how it work with you, and you think
That-
you get got.
That wasn't funny.
It wasn't funny.
No.
Well, it was funny as hell to me.
You think so?
Yes, I do think so. It
When
was.
you have the funny now,
Yeah.
I was so vexed for the whole time. I was pissed. I did.
Anyway, guys, me and Papa Harry, as I said, we love each other. We always do everything together. So I'm gonna ask you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, guys? So toodaloos. Bye.
Thank God it's a prank.